Hi everyone, I just want to share the changing the HUD of the gun and with the weapon I'm selecting. So I'm gonna go ahead and show the script and how I implement this. So when I scroll the weapon, I'm able to scroll the gun. I just go through the game here. At the player, let's see, go to player. Make sure I can show the gun information on this side. Okay. So when I pick up the gun, it showed the HUD, the gun show, and I think I had the wrong name here. It's supposed to be Thompson. This gun, it should be... that's pretty interesting. That shouldn't be a Thompson. There's a gun. M Gran. Supposed to show M Gran. I'm not sure. That's quite strange. Yeah, that's quite strange. But it shows a correct gun here, so I need to find out why it's not showing the correct one. Not showing the correct one on the data here, but it shows the correct picture. Okay, let's see. Let's pick up another gun. It should be here, and I have to create a minimap. So, and you see the minimap here. This is where the other gun located. I want to show if it's Thompson. When I scroll, yeah, scroll, it's changed. Something is not changing here, but when you see here on this picture, the HUD changed as I scroll, and that's the data of the weapon. So the sprite is getting from some other area from that player. Let's see what I can check. So look at the power controller. That is the sprite. The new sprite here. Why is this not changing? Oh, you know what? I may not need this sprite here. So let me cancel that. This sprite is not being used, so I assume that's not being changed. I'm not sure if I use this too anymore. Sprite changer. Yeah, this code is not being used. So let's get that one done out of the way. Let's see, there's no issue. There's no sprite. Sorry for the confusion. And that should do it. Yeah, that shouldn't be any information. That's just extra information trying to confuse us. So M Garen. So when you pick up M Garen, that's the gun model. I think I should show it here, but the idea is if you see the gun, M1 Garen, I have that weapon sprite as M1 Garen as the HUD. So ammo is, you see the ammo, the current ammo is 0. I need to press R to reload. The sound's not working. That's interesting. So my reload doesn't work. The sound clip is not working. Audio clip reload sound. Let's see, M1 Garen. Gunshot. Oh, I don't have the reload sound. So let's see, reload. Let's have that reload sound. Let's get the other reload sound. Then when I fix the other part of the problem, forgot to add that in there. Save it, and let's go back to what I need to show. I don't need to show the UI. Let's show the player here. So as I change weapon, the HUD should be changing. So I'll show this is the model. I'm gonna pick up the weapon. So the HUD should change. That's M1 Garen. So another one, that's Thompson. So when I scroll up and down, you see this area here, this is the gun status. So when I scroll up and down, he changed. So let's see the other weapon. I just pick up the, I have the M1918 bar. So that's the gun I'm holding right now. So when I scroll down, become Thompson. Next one is the M1 Garen. That's the first one. So up and down. And then if I click R, it reloads. Yeah, this one has 1 second to shoot. And when I scroll down, Thompson is automatic, so you can keep press. And M bar is like regular rifle. It's 0.5 second per shoot. So yeah, that's how it changed the HUD of the gun. So that's the that's how the implementation. This is the script. Let's go to the script now. Let's see. What I did is I created a sprite changer script, and the sprite changer script I put it under the player. So I put it with the player. So the display is what current display. Display weapon is the current display, which is circle. Weapon 1, 2, and 3. Well, that apparently I don't need it, because I will replace that with the actual sprite that's located on each gun. So each weapon, M1 Garen, have its own weapon sprite. This weapon sprite, I got it from a spreadsheet. I put it under resources. The resources. This is the spreadsheet I created. So from that spreadsheet, I create the index. Already create the name. M1 Garen is the one. This one the M1918 bar, and this one is the Thompson M181. So that's what I name it. So this is the sprite index from that sprite sheet. So that will be stored on each gun, so that the sprite will be located there. And I created script, sprite changer script. So that is the script I am creating, where I can create an instant. I created the singleton, so a sprite changer instant, so I can access all this data from the player controller. So that's from the player controller. So what I did is I created the function. So when the name of the gun is M191 bar, I want that sprite to change to that M191 bar. So I want that to change there. So that's, I'm calling this change. I want that weapon to change new sprite on that display weapon. And the display weapon would change it under the UI image sprite. That will be under the UI. This is the UI located there. So the weapon image will be the one that's changing. The weapon image is an image that holds the sprite. So that's the source. That's there. So as I change weapon, it also changing the sprite. But I'm comparing the name from that array of the gun list. So if I selected the other gun, M1 Garen, if the name of the gun matches equal to this name from that gun list, I wanted the sprite to change. I'm calling the instance, I'm calling the singleton of that sprite changer script. I want that to change the sprite from each weapon. So the sprite is located here on the gun. So we pull that information from the gun status, which has hold the sprite. So that sprite is passed on to the sprite changer as a new sprite. We want to show it on the display weapon, and ultimately the display weapon will show it on the sprite. This is just extra. I was testing it before I created these implementations. In reality, I don't really need this. I should just create it private. I don't need to show this, so private, you know what, private, you don't want it to show. Wait, this might need it to, I need to serialize. Serialize field. Serialize field. Oops. Might be. Because I needed to I still need it, you know. On here, I still need the information, the weapon. The weapon image, I need to drag it down. The display current weapon, I want it to show a circle field first. I don't want to show the actual gun. Let's see if it still works. Okay, when I scroll up and down, yeah, so it does change that over there. So yes, that's how the information is received. So that's the way how it works. So thanks for watching, guys.